This is a green tea pomelo concept. We're going to start by brewing a strong green tea. 3 bags for half a liter of hot water, let it infuse for 10 minutes. I am looking for a little bit of astringency. The pomelo itself, chop off the top, give it some scoring using a knife, then use your finger to remove the peel, break it in half, and then segment by segment, separate the pulp from the rest. We're going to go for an osmosis, meaning that we're going to let the sugar pull the water out from the pomelo flesh. A bit of muddling to help it along, let it sit. Meanwhile, we're going to build our drink with 1.5 ounces of gin, half an ounce of lime, 2 ounces of our strong green tea, and about 2 tablespoons of that pomelo sugar mix. Plenty of ice, and this time we're gonna roll it back and forth 10 times or so. Serve it into a pint glass, garnish with a whole pomelo hot. Drunk Shoje Kwai Le.